Here I have Nokia 2.1 and let me show you how to use power saving mode on the following device. So if you would like to quickly activate power saving mode, you need to use upper bar twice. Let me show you, let me do it twice. Here you've got battery saver icon, let me tap it, and as you can see right now the battery saver is activated. If you would like to quit this power saving mode, let's tap on battery saver again. And if you would like to find the settings of the battery saver, let's open the list of all apps, choose settings. Here you need to scroll down in order to find the battery, and here you've got the battery saver switcher. You can also tap on battery saver, and for example you can turn on battery saver automatically when you have 5% of the battery or 15% of the battery. Here you can read the information about this power saving mode. So in order to increase the battery life, battery saver will reduce device performance and restrict vibration, location services and most background traffic. So it's good to know the following rules, and if you would like to go back, let's just simply use a back key a couple of times and now you can use your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.